Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to save Pinterest pictures in gallery, right? It's very easy to do it. You can see I'm into my Pinterest mobile application here, and for example I just like this image a lot, so what I will do, I will just click and open, right? So once you click and open, you can just click and hold, and once you click and hold, basically you will get this option save, right? So you can just save this, and once you click save, you can just have your own board where you can save each and everything, right? But guys, if you want to download it and save it in your gallery, then there is a different way. Just open this image here, and here on the top right you will see the three horizontal dots, right? Just tap on that and you will get this option of download image. So if I just click on download, you can see that image has been downloaded, right? And let me show you. I will just go to my gallery and I will show you that downloaded image. So guys, here you can see that this is my gallery and this is the downloaded image, right? So it's very easy to save Pinterest pictures in gallery, and you can just save anything whatever see you over Pinterest, right? I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.